Today we're working on a Ram Promaster. Now the normal vehicle that we work on is the Mercedes Sprinter vans. With that being said, we work on any of the cargo vans here. But the Ram Promasters are great for a do-it-yourself person because they have straighter walls that makes the walls easier to put up inside. And also you can get great deals on the Ram Promaster. The customers that started this van, they put a couple of windows in and they got a little bit overwhelmed. And they saw what we can do on our other vans and they brought us this one to complete for them.
The clients requested some key features for their van, including ample storage options, a large galley, a transition step that doubles as extra storage, full climate control, and a bamboo interior. Before we can add these features, we have to establish the groundwork to support them.
I mean, getting the framing done. This is the fun part. I like doing this stuff.
Yeah.
Tony just pops in with his Starbucks.
Tony! Where's mine?
It's at Starbucks.
Well, today we're working on pre-wiring the ProMaster. There's a lot of wires that go into each one of these vans. We work off of our wiring schematics and go through the wiring gauges one at a time to get our runs down. And then once we have that complete, we wire the van.
What are you doing up there, Jesse?
Just putting the gasket on for the Dometic.
So as far as temperature control goes in this van, we got the Dometic AC and the MaxxAir Fan. And we have the diesel heater in a different spot than we normally put it.
As you'll see.
As you'll see.
Just like that, you have a light. So when you're putting up the roof, one thing that you want to make sure that you're doing is making sure that everything is straight. So one of these things that we do is we make sure that this line of screws is following all the way across. Line it up with the center of this screw, bring it up here, find the middle, mark it off. So then you want to pre-drill a hole, make it just the size for the screw to fall in and sit in there. So then by the time that you get to your screw, the screw sits in there just fine.
I'm connecting the GFI. This is where you can plug in, your accessories or charge your phone.
While work continues in the van, the paint department has started on the cabinetry.
What we do is we tape these sliders here so that when we're painting it, it doesn't get all up in the grooves and stuff like that. So it's just protecting it.
Okay, so this is the galley and the countertop. Right here is going to be the fridge, and then right here in the middle is going to be the sink. And these are your drawers right here to store, utensils and everything.
Today we're going to be installing some windows that a customer just decided to put in their back doors about a week ago. So here we go.
This right here is a bed rail. This is what the bed platform is going to go on. Also the mattress is going to go on top of that. And that is where you can climb up here and you can go to sleep for the night.
And along with the bed rails will be the plumbing that runs right underneath it, straight to the sink.
Testing the cold water, make sure that nothing leaks. You want to hop back over there still and just double check that it's not leaking? Yeah, so right here we're gonna get like a little step extension cubby with a lid. It'll be lockable. It'll kind of extend out this platform, make the cab area a little bit bigger, and give it a little, nicer little transition.
So it's gonna have a lid on it and end cap down there, obviously. But yeah, that's the gist.
Dave did a great job. It looks lovely. So as you can see, we got our painters in here. A little bit of a paint mix up on the Galley. Screen was a couple shades off, so we have them fixing it up in the van. Easy fix though. We'll have it knocked out in a couple hours. So we're getting the bench dry fitted. It's gonna house the toilet and the diesel heater. Yeah, so next up we got the overhead cabinets going up. We got a row of 5 of them. It's a bit of a beast, so that'll be pretty fun to tackle.
I didn't even douche and my arm was tired.
So right now, just installed the grab handle, helps you get up from the toilet and into the bed. And then you also have this step drawer that doubles as storage, so you can slide it out, use it as a step, and climb on up there.
Alrighty.
Are you ready?
You ready?
Mark? I love the good job on the color. You? On the cushions, everybody. Oh, I didn't know we got a table too. Oh my god. What do you think? It looks great, huh?
I love it. It's beautiful.
I love it. I love it, man.
I can't wait to take it out. Rain or shine.
We've been waiting 4 years for this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm excited. Yeah, you guys did a good job.
And it feels roomy too.
It's good.
Yeah, I love it. I love it, love it.
You guys know